Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube feeds not updating infinitely. So if YouTube feeds, as I said, aren't updating your app, it's usually due to broken channel feeds, caching issues, or how Feedly pulls data from YouTube. So actually guys, at first I do really advise to refresh the feed manually. So just open your app and pull down to refresh the feed. Okay, so let's say I'm following that channel on YouTube, so all you need to do is to go inside it and just pull down. Okay, so that way you can refresh it, as you can see. All right, and you should know that sometimes updates are delayed, not broken. Okay, also guys, I do really advise you to re-add the YouTube channel, and that's very effective. So the YouTube feeds can break silently, so to fix that you will need just to go ahead and remove that channel from your feeds. So go ahead and tap on the three lines that's located at the bottom left of the screen, and after that go and tap and hold the channel that you want to fix, and then go with and follow. Okay, so after and follow it, you will need to go and find it on YouTube on the feeds, and then just go and follow it again or re-add it. Okay, so this often restores updates instantly. Select the folder now, added, then go with done, that you can see at the top right corner. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.